Temflo Interactive Flat Panel, one of the unique products that has been contributing to make education easier and smarter. It has turned out to be a go-to, all-in-one solution for a smart classroom. The panel you are seeing right behind me is the Education series, known as an interactive flat panel. Size is 65-inch, which is measured diagonally. We have other sizes available as well, that is 75 and 86 inches. This is an all-in-one panel with a load full of features for a seamless interactivity between a teacher and a student. It comes with a 7-layer toughened glass and has an immersive display and writing experience. Let me quickly go through some of the hardware parameters of this panel. One USP of this panel is dual operating system. That means Android and Windows operating system both inbuilt in one panel. So it's quite interesting that users can use this device the same way as they use their mobile phones or PC. The UI you're seeing right now is of Android version 11.0. It comes with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB of ROM. With a single click, you can directly enter the Windows platform of this panel very smoothly. It has Windows 10 Enterprise licensed version with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of SSD storage, which is expandable as well. Sufficient storage so that teachers can directly store all their PPTs, PDFs and lecture content on this device. Let's start with its unique software features in Android first. Note: it is a basic whiteboard software with some exciting educational tools which contributes in enhancing the interactivity. It has number of writing options with availability of different types of colors. The dual color writing feature of this panel can help users choose 2 different colors on different tips of this pen, which will help them write and highlight the content easily. They can also use their palm to erase the content. User can insert any PDF or image on this whiteboard through import option available in menu. They can further annotate on those PDFs using the whiteboard tools. It comes with some handy geometrical tools like ruler and protractor. Sticky notes to set an instant reminder on the top right corner of this panel. (2D, 3D shapes with an amazing shape recognition feature which instantly recognizes any roughly drawn shape. This whiteboard has an infinite canvas, which is beneficial for the users if they want to keep their content going on the same page. They can simply scroll the page down by a single click on the preview option and can continue the session. To view the upward written content, just click on the preview option and view like this. To add a different page, just click on the add option here. Further, to save your content, the panel has a number of options available. In the menu option, it has cloud storage, Google Drive and OneDrive. It has options of save, save as and export, through which you can save your content on the storage of Android or even on any external pen drives attached. Some of the wireless sharing options include Sent Mail, through which content can be shared via mails directly from here. The time-saving feature is Share, the icon available on the whiteboard which generates a QR code. The users can scan the QR code with their mobile phones to easily download the content on their own devices. It will get downloaded in the form of a PDF. Users can directly Google search from this whiteboard. They just need to select the written word and click on the search option, which will redirect them to Google. The Smart Write feature can help users change the font of the text easily. Split the screen into 4 and use different applications simultaneously. This panel generates its own hotspot, which is beneficial for the users to share data or cast the screens of their devices on this panel wirelessly without the help of any external internet or Wi-Fi connection. By Share, users can wirelessly display or cast up to 9 different devices on this screen simultaneously. They just need to connect the device to this panel via Share and share image, PDF or any type of data from their phone, PC or any other devices. They can further annotate on those files through Mark and record the session through Record feature of this panel. Users can connect to any external Wi-Fi, adjust brightness and can instantly browse a topic and download image from browser option available. They can even crop any image from browser and directly import it on the whiteboard. Some more features of this Android include stopwatch, timer, spotlight to highlight any specific content, and Air Class, which is the option available to conduct any voting or interactive session with a lot of people joining together in a room. This panel comes with a bundle of connection ports like HDMI in and out, Type-C, USB 3.0, 2.0, Touch, VGA, audio in and out, and many more, which can easily help users to connect multiple external devices like example, camera, microphone, speakers, etc. The device has an inbuilt Windows operating system, and the uniqueness of Windows is again its extremely interesting features like Easy Note 5. This is the software best used for presentation. The back to preparation mode of this software can help users prepare a PPT using the tools of the software. Users can add different backgrounds, images, text, shapes, tables, mind maps, etc. to make their own content exactly the same way as they do in MS PowerPoint. If they have their PPTs already made, they can simply copy and paste their existing PPT, click on display and further annotate on them. 5 comes with a numerous subject tools like for geometry, it has compass. Shapes, fill color, rotate, adjust, or even expand the 3D shape for further explanation. It has functions for mathematics, equation and periodic table for chemistry, 3D planets for geography, and many more. Users can smoothly conduct online sessions through Zoom or Teams. They just need to download the application, initiate a meeting, share the screen, and continue their session with EasyNote 5 teaching software. They can further attach any external camera or microphone for video and audio if required for the meeting. Capture. This application is used for recording or even editing the delivered session. User can even record any YouTube video and it will directly be saved on the storage of Windows. Windows operating system is as similar to as your personal computer and can be used exactly the same way as you use your own laptops. Log on to www.temflo.co.in to download the brochure of this product.